Hello everyone, my name is Aris Arya Putra. I'm is education influence on social media in the region of Indonesia. And today I'm with Mr. Zanuareski. He is special staff of Ministry of Education in the Republic of Indonesia. So good morning, Mr. Zanuar.
Good morning, Mr. Aris.
How's your day?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I feel good too. Thank you for your visiting. And so, Mr. Zanuar, what do you think about Golden Indonesian in the 2045?
Okay, Golden Indonesian 2045. I think that vision is just want to make Indonesia become a developed country.
Yes.
And one of the main requirements is to have superior human resource. And the 7 habits of great Indonesian children, that program is actually good for building character and mentality of the young generations.
Uh, I agree. Habits taught since childhood have a huge influence on one's mindset and long-term habits. For example, the habit of wake up early and get on the bed early is not only about discipline but also about time management and productivity, and which are very important to future life.
That's right, Mr. Aris. For another example, the habits of love to learn.
Yes.
That's very crucial. Why? Because if children have curiosity and strong learning habits from early age, they will grow up. Maybe they will be innovators, they will be scientists or technocraft. That all of that can bring Indonesia to the industrial era 4.0 or maybe 5.0.
Right, right. I would like to add the habit of exercising and eating healthy. This is not only about physical but also mental and emotional endurance. A developed country needs healthy, strong, and smart citizens. Imagine if the majority of our young generation is unhealthy, how can they compete on the global level?
Yes, and I think that's a very important point too. In addition, the habits of worship and society. This is plays a big role too. Why? Because a developed country, it's not just about economics, Mr. Aris. If we talk about all that superior country, it's not just about economics, but their civilization, their government, and their habits. Nah, the habits of worship trains children to have more strong principle, which can be about work against corruption and against abuse of power.
Nah, correct, Mr. Zanuar. And social habits are about building empathy and cooperation. In the vision of Golden Indonesian in 2045, we talk about equitable development. This will not be achieved if people are still individualistic and don't care about their environment.
Exactly. If we want Indonesia to be a truly superpower country or to be a developed country,
Yes.
we must start by now, by develop that habits in our next generation, in our young generations.
Yes, building human resource is a long process. If we fail to create a generation that is disciplined, healthy, smart, and has integrity, then the dream of a golden Indonesian and to 2045 could be difficult to achieve.
So I think the point is the 7 habit of great Indonesian children. It's not just a slogan, but it must become a habit that's developed, that's built in our generation from early age.
That's right, because the key of the future of the nation is a young generation today. So we've come to the end of the discussion. Thank you to Mr. Zanuar for his time.
Yes, you're welcome, Mr. Aris. It's pleasure to be here with you, to be talk with you about this topic.
Okay guys, thank you for listening and attention. See you next time. Dah. Ini bagus gak? Coba lihat.
Pain is never perfect.